Hey everyone, I'm Omid. Why did the editor cry? Because Premiere Pro crashed 5 minutes before the deadline. Hmm. Anyway, let's get your project back. First of all, don't panic. Seriously, the worst thing you can do right now is panic. Close Premiere Pro if it's frozen. Then open it again. A lot of the time, Premiere Pro will automatically recover your latest project. If it doesn't, don't worry. Go to your Adobe Premiere Pro autosave folder. You'll usually find several backup versions there. Open the newest one and see which version has the most recent changes. If everything looks good, save it immediately with a new name. And here's a little tip. Go to Preferences and make sure autosave is turned on. It might save your entire project one day. Boom! Crisis avoided. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Goodbye.